$10 to $100 in just one day? Sounds impossible, right? Most people will call it luck, but I call it discipline, patience, and strategy. Because what I'm about to show you isn't a get-rich trick. It's a real trading system that's changing lives every single day. So let's talk about the platform that made it possible, Pocket Option. It's a trusted global trading platform used by traders all around the world. It allows you to trade currencies, crypto, stocks, and more, not by owning them, but by predicting their price movements. If the price goes the way you predict, you can earn up to 90% profit in a single trade. If not, you lose that position. Simple, transparent, fast. That's what makes Pocket Option different. No noise, no delay, just real trading. When I started, I had just $10 in my account. No fancy setup, no experience, just curiosity and focus. I studied charts, watched candle patterns, and took only high-confidence trades. My first trade, small win. Second, another. Then, one clean setup. And boom! By the end of the day, my $10 had grown to over $100. That was the moment I realized you don't need big money to start. You just need control, logic, and consistency. Because in trading, patience always beats panic. The best part, Pocket Option is beginner-friendly. You can trade on your phone or laptop, anywhere, anytime. You choose your asset, select time, set amount, and simply decide up or down. And here's a small advantage for my viewers. If you register using the link in my description or pinned comment, you'll automatically get a 60% extra deposit bonus on your first deposit. That means more balance, more trades, and more room to grow. Now, if you want to take this seriously, don't trade alone. Join my Telegram channel. The link is below inside. You'll get 30+ premium trading signals, daily, personal live sessions, one-on-one mentorship from me and my team. We're not just a group of traders. We're a community helping each other win. Here's the truth. Trading doesn't reward those who rush. It rewards those who learn, adapt, and stay consistent. I started with $10, and that small start changed everything. So stop waiting for the perfect time. Click the link below, register, and take your first step towards something real today. I'll see you inside my next live session. Don't chase money. Learn the skill that creates it. Start smart, trade confident. Join the movement.